Hakone, Japan is a destination where natural beauty, culture, and adventure come together in unforgettable ways. Begin your journey with a scenic boat ride to Lake Ashi, where the tranquil waters reflect lush hills and on clear days the majestic silhouette of Mount Fuji. The bright red torii gate of Hakone Shrine adds a splash of color to the serene landscape. Art lovers will be enchanted by the Hakone Glass Museum, where Venetian-inspired glass artworks shimmer amidst outdoor gardens, while Gora Park offers a peaceful stroll through colorful flower beds and traditional tea ceremonies. For an extraordinary natural spectacle, Owakudani Valley showcases steaming vents, volcanic landscapes, and the legendary black eggs believed to bring longevity. The Hakone Open-Air Museum presents a fusion of art and nature with sculptures set against forested hills, while Chanji Temple offers spiritual calm among Rakan statues and seasonal foliage. Experience panoramic views of the Hakone Ropeway and end with a tranquil walk to Chisuji Waterfall, a hidden gem of cascading beauty. Hakone's charm awaits every traveler. Number 8. Lake Ashi Boat Ride, a scenic journey in Hakone. Gliding across the tranquil waters of Lake Ashi feels like stepping into a postcard. Surrounded by lush green hills and the majestic silhouette of Mount Fuji on clear days, the scenery here is nothing short of magical. The boat gently sails past iconic landmarks, including the bright red Hakone Shrine torii gate standing gracefully at the water's edge. As the cruise moves along, crisp mountain air and panoramic views create a peaceful atmosphere perfect for photography or simply relaxing. The unique pirate ship-style vessels add a touch of fun to the journey, making it a memorable experience for travelers of all ages. Along the route, you will catch glimpses of charming lakeside villages and forested slopes that change colors beautifully with each season. Whether under the cherry blossoms of spring, the deep green of summer, or the fiery hues of autumn, Lake Ashi offers timeless beauty. This boat ride is a must for anyone exploring Hakone's natural and cultural treasures. Number 7. Discovering the magic of Hakone Glass Museum. Nestled in the scenic mountains of Hakone, the Hakone Glass Museum is a dazzling blend of art, nature, and craftsmanship. Inspired by the elegance of Venetian glass, this enchanting destination showcases delicate masterpieces that shimmer under the light. Strolling through the museum feels like stepping into a fairy tale world where intricate glass sculptures, chandeliers, and installation transforms every corner into a sparkling wonderland. The outdoor gardens are just as captivating, with seasonal flowers complementing the glistening glass artworks. Gentle classical music play in the background, adding to the serene atmosphere. Visitors can watch skilled artisans at work, crafting beautiful glass pieces using centuries-old techniques, or explore the shop filled with exquisite souvenirs. Whether it's the shimmering crystal archway, the glowing glass trees, or the breathtaking views of the surrounding mountain, the Hakone Glass Museum is a place where art and nature unite in harmony. It's a must-visit for anyone seeking beauty, inspiration, and a touch of magic in Hakone. Number 6. Exploring Owakudani, Japan's volcanic valley and famous black eggs. High in the mountains of Hakone lies Owakudani, a dramatic volcanic valley shaped by an eruption over 3,000 years ago. The landscape is alive with steaming vents, bubbling hot springs, and the distinct scent of sulfur drifting through the air. Wooden boardwalks lead the way to viewpoints where the rugged terrain and distant peaks create breathtaking panoramas. One of the valley's most famous attractions is its kuro tamago, or black eggs, boiled in naturally hot sulfur springs. According to local legend, eating one can add 7 years to your life. Watching them being prepared, their shells darkened by the volcanic minerals, is an experience in itself. Tasting them is even better. On clear days, Owakudani rewards visitors with sweeping views of Mount Fuji, making it a perfect spot for photos. Between the otherworldly scenery, cultural legends, and unique culinary threads, this volcanic wonder offers an unforgettable glimpse into Japan's powerful natural beauty and timeless traditions. Number 5. Discover the charm of Gora Park. Perched on a hillside in the heart of Hakone, Gora Park offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and elegant design. Known as Japan's first French-style garden, this peaceful scape greets visitors with colorful flower beds, neatly trimmed hedges, and a central fountain framed by mountain views. Every season paints the park in new shades. Cherry blossom in spring, vibrant roses in summer, fiery leaves in autumn, and camellias in winter. Wander along winding paths, take the fresh mountain air, and pause at cozy rest areas for a moment of calm. Inside the park, the greenhouse bursts with toxic plants, while the tea garden invites you to experience a traditional Japanese tea ceremony. The elevated location provides sweeping views of Hakone's landscape, making it a favorite spot for photographers and nature lovers alike. Whether you're here for a short stroll or to spend a leisurely afternoon, Gora Park captures the timeless charm and tranquility that Hakone is known for. Number 4. Exploring Hakone Open-Air Museum. Art, nature, and sculpture. Nestled in the lush mountains of Hakone, the Hakone Open-Air Museum offers a unique fusion of art and nature that captivates visitors of all ages. As you wander along winding paths, over 120 sculptures by both Japanese and international artists emerge from the greenery, creating a striking dialogue between creativity and the natural landscape. From abstract forms to lifelike figures, each piece invites reflection and admiration, while the backdrop of Hakone's forested hills enhances every view. One of the museum highlights is the Picasso Pavilion, housing an impressive collection of the artist's paintings, ceramics, and prints. Outdoor spaces also feature interactive installations and whimsical sculptures that engage both children and adults, making it a playful, immersive experience. Walking through gardens filled with seasonal flowers and fountains adds another layer of beauty and serenity. Whether you're an art enthusiast, nature lover, or photographer, the Hakone Open-Air Museum provides an unforgettable journey where creativity and the outdoors meet in perfect harmony. Number 3. Discovering Choanji Temple. Nature meets spirituality in Hakone. Nestled in the lush greenery of Hakone, Choanji Temple offers a perfect blend of nature and spirituality. Surrounded by serene forests and the gentle sound of birdsong, this temple feels like a peaceful escape from the busier tourist spots. The highlight for many visitors is the collection of unique rakan statues scattered throughout the grounds. Each one has a distinct facial expression, capturing moments of joy, contemplation, or even playfulness. Walking among them feels like stepping into a quiet world filled with stories. The temple's gardens are a visual delight with seasonal flowers and vibrant foliage that change throughout the year. In autumn, the leaves create a fiery backdrop, while spring brings bursts of color with blooming azaleas and fresh greenery. Whether you're here to admire the artistry, take photos, or simply reflect in the calm atmosphere, Chanji Temple is a reminder of the harmonious connection between nature and spiritual tradition in Japan. Number 2. Hakone Ropeway Experience. Stunning views from the sky. Glide high above the landscapes of Hakone on the Hakone Ropeway, one of Japan's most scenic aerial adventures. From the moment you step into the cabin, panoramic views of volcanic valleys, lush forests, and Mount Fuji in the distance take your breath away. The ropeway spans several kilometers, connecting Swanzan Station to Togendai Station near Lake Ashi, offering multiple vantage points for photography and sightseeing. As the cabin cascades, the steam events and sulfuric plumes of Owakudani Valley comes into view, showcasing the area's dramatic volcanic activity. On clear days, the iconic peak of Mount Fuji dominates the horizon, framed by rolling hills and shimmering lakes. Passengers can enjoy the thrill of floating above treetops, rivers, and scenic trails, while informative panels along the ropeway highlights geological features and local history. Whether capturing photos, soaking in fresh mountain air, or simply marveling at the vistas, the Hakone Ropeway provides a truly unforgettable perspective of Japan's natural beauty. Number 1. Chisuji Waterfall Walk. Tranquil trails and scenic views. Nestled in the lush forests of Hakone, Chisuji Falls is a hidden gem that promises serenity and natural beauty at every turn. The name Chisuji means thousand threads, perfectly describing the delicate streams of water cascading down the moss-covered rocks. Walking along the quiet trails, the gentle sound of water creates a calming soundtrack, while the surrounding greenery offers a peaceful escape from the bustle of city life. The path to the falls is lined with tall trees, ferns, and seasonal flowers, providing plenty of spots to pause and take in the scenery. Wooden walkways and small viewing platforms give you perfect angles for photographs or simply soaking in the atmosphere. Light mist from the waterfall cools the air, adding to the refreshing feeling of being fully immersed in nature. Chisuji Falls is ideal for a relaxing stroll, a mindful moment, or capturing stunning photos, making it one of Hakone's most tranquil and picturesque destinations.